Hello everyone, today we will talk about Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6. So let's get started. First of all, we will talk about this phone body. This phone body is 239 gram when folded. Glass front, glass back, aluminium frame and water resistant. Display. This phone display is 7.6 inch foldable dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x 120Hz refresh rate HDR10 plus 1856 into 2160 pixel resolution, aspect ratio 10.5:9 ratio, cheapest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 nm, memory 256 GB with 12 GB RAM and 512 GB with 12 GB RAM, OS Android 14, One UI 6.1.1. Rear camera is 50 megapixel with 1.8 aperture and telephoto lens 10 megapixel with 2.4 aperture. Ultra wide lens 12 megapixel with 2.2 aperture. Front camera is 4 megapixel with 1.8 aperture. Video capture. Rear camera can capture 8K with 30 fps, 4K with 60 fps, HD with 30, 60 and 120 and 240 fps. Also 720p with 96 fps. This phone is perfect for slow motion video. This phone front camera can capture 4K with 30 and 60 fps, HD with 30 and 60 fps. Battery. This phone battery is 4400 mAh battery with 25 watt wired charging system, connectivity 5G, eSIM, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, fingerprint reader and good sound system. So overall this Fold phone look very nice and gorgeous. If you want to buy this phone, you can go with this. So that was the video for today and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.